Welcome back, Crammers, to question 17. On Wednesday, the price of petrol was 1.26 pounds. The price of petrol on Wednesday was 5% more than the price of petrol on the previous Monday. Calculate the price of 30 liters of petrol on the previous Monday. So firstly, we have to calculate what the price of petrol per liter was on Monday. Then we can calculate for every 30 liters. So firstly, 5% more than the price of the previous Monday. So that means 5 was added to the total 100%. So that means we have 105 is equivalent to 1.26. So we can actually write 1.26 divided by 105. We want to find the whole again, so we simply write times 100. Now this will be the price for 1 liter. We can use our calculator here. 1.26 divided by 105 times 100. That will simply give us 1.2. 1.2. However, this is the price per 1 liter. Per 1 liter. In order to find the price of 30 liters, we simply multiply 1.2 times 30. That will give us 1.2 times 30 is equivalent to 36 pounds. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.